This morning, new data and new promise for a powerfully effective diabetes and weight loss drug. No need for needles. Eli Lilly says it has a pill. The latest clinical trial suggesting it is as strong as Ozempic.
It activates that GLP-1 receptor in your body.
So people can potentially expect the same kinds of weight loss taking this pill?
That's the hope.
The clinical results out today are from a type 2 diabetes trial. Patients lost 8% of their body mass taking one pill daily, and blood sugar levels dropped dramatically, according to the company.
Which meant if a doctor tested them, they wouldn't even know that they had diabetes anymore.
The news comes as Pfizer recently announced it's ending development of its own daily weight loss pill after a patient experienced a possible liver injury caused by the drug in a trial. The company noting the patient's liver enzymes recovered rapidly after stopping the pill. The class of drugs known as GLP-1s has revolutionized diabetes and weight loss treatment in the U.S., but shortages and cost have made the most popular injectables like Ozempic and Mounjaro out of reach for some.
Is this pill going to be cheaper?
Well, one of the advantages of the pill is that it's easier to make in our factories. That should mean more people should have access to it.
And Eli Lilly says it is already being manufactured.
We've built up inventory. So the day that we launch, when we get FDA approval, which could be as soon as next year, we hope to be able to have abundant supply.
Eli Lilly says the side effects for its pill are similar to the injectables, with many participants experiencing digestive issues, but the majority not serious enough to stop taking the pill.
Having a pill that's taken at your convenience, I think can be a game changer for some people.
But obesity expert Dr. Melanie J. cautions that these drugs, whether injectable or in pill form, need to be managed by a doctor.
It is not some kind of silver bullet, is it?
It is not. It is not a silver bullet. And we are finding that in real world practice, we still have so much to learn about how to use these medicines.
All right, so there's some promise, some hope here, but this was specifically type 2 diabetes. Is Eli Lilly looking at obesity as well?
Yes. So they have trials ongoing right now as a weight loss drug. And actually, what they said is that those trials and those results are going to be in the pipeline at the FDA, perhaps faster. So that approval may come first. Both of those approvals, they say, are expected next year, guys.
It could be a game changer.
Yeah. Yep. Steph, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.